Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use templates in Alight Motion. First, open the Alight Motion app and navigate to the Projects tab. Tap the plus icon to import a new template, typically from a downloaded file. Once imported, the template will appear in your project list, ready for editing. This process is straightforward and gets you started quickly with pre-designed animations, saving you valuable time. Now let's customize. Select a text layer to change its font, size, or color to match your brand. To replace media, tap on the image or video layer, then choose Color and Fill to select new content from your gallery. You can also adjust the timing of elements by dragging their layers on the timeline, ensuring your project flows perfectly. For more advanced edits, delve into Group Layers. These allow you to modify multiple elements simultaneously, streamlining complex adjustments. Experiment with keyframes to create unique motion paths and dynamic effects, giving your project a professional touch. Remember, small adjustments can make a big difference in the overall impact of your video. Finally, it's time to export your masterpiece. Select your desired resolution and frame rate for optimal quality, then tap Export. A pro tip: save any custom elements or effects you create as reusable assets for future projects, boosting your efficiency. Don't forget to check the video description for helpful links, including the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.